Hi, my name is Jalen. Welcome back to another Time Travel Tuesday, and today we're going to do theorem painting. So one of the first steps of theorem painting is first drawing out your stencil. Once you have it drawn out, there are certain parts of it that you will cut out. So these two go together. So whenever you're painting, these pieces will show up, and then your next stencil, once this is cut out, you would layer it on top to do a different color there. So here's an example of one that has been completed. So as you see, these pieces line up there, a little bit off, but once you line it up separately, it'll work out. It's kind of like modern day screen printing. So the third step, so after you have it drawn and you have all of your pieces cut out, you want to then get a brush, and we have pure linseed oil here. And since we're using watercolor, we want to coat the paper well. Just so we don't have to redo all of this for the next time we're using it. So the oil will protect the paper so it doesn't get damaged by the watercolor. We're going to apply some of our watercolor, and we're dabbing this onto cotton fabric. So theorem painting, also called Puna painting or velvet painting, put on different mediums including fabric. So here are a couple examples of theorem painting. Thank you for joining us today. If you want to see more painting, please come visit us in March for Women's History Month, and we'll see you then.